following video will go through the step-by-step process of adding a new rule onto MyGeotab. You'll first want to begin on going to the Groups and Rules tab on the left-hand side panel, click on Rules, and select Add on the top of the page. You're going to want to begin by giving your rule a unique name, and then selecting a color for this rule. And then select Visible or Not Visible for the map. Once you've done that, go to the Conditions section. For this example, we're going to be making a speeding rule. So my concern is with the speed limit. This section right here asks me if I want to know the truck speed on that road or all car speeds on that road. And then I will select the over the limit by. For this example, I'm going to do 15 kilometers per hour. And then for a road speed driver provider, I'm going to be selecting all. And then I click Add. Once I've done that, I'm going to get two new pop-ups, either for duration or distance. For this rule, I'm going to do it by distance. And I'm going to select 1,000 meters and select Add. Now, what this rule means is that I want to know when drivers are exceeding the speed limit by 15 kilometers per hour for a distance of 1,000 meters. Now we'll head over to the Notifications tab. And for there, I'm going to select Add Email. And I'm going to select the individual who will receive an email when an individual has broken the rule. Another option is to click Add Alert, and that will display a yellow pop-up screen to indicate that somebody has broken the rule. Or I could have the driver receive feedback, and that is having either their device beeping, or they can receive a text message on their device. Now once I finish, I'll click Add, and I'll click Save on the top of the page. Then I'm brought back to the Rules page, and I can scroll back down under the Advanced section, and I'll see that our new rule has populated.